What's up, you guys? I know it's been so long. Please forgive me. I mean, like, we're talking probably like 7-8 months since I uploaded a video. So this is kind of new for me again. But I did say that I wanted to start uploading videos again. So I figured this was the perfect time to do that. So we're just gonna jump right in. I have to be honest, you guys. It has been a minute since I have purchased any new beauty products. Like, I really haven't gotten into like a real beauty regimen in a very long time. I've kind of just been like in work mode since I got to Florida. I've been here a year, but like this year for me has just been like getting acclimated, figuring out everything basically. So when it comes to like a beauty regimen in this heat and in this like new lifestyle, because I'm coming from Jersey and you guys know it's cold there this time of year or colder. So I'm just learning like what I like and what I don't like in terms of beauty products here in Florida. So funny enough, Pinch Me reached out and they sent me one of those like monthly boxes. And I was like, you know what? This is real talk. I was like, you know what? Go ahead, because I don't even know what I like anymore. And I honestly can say I found some real good products in here that I really like, and I have been using them for weeks now. This box was sent to me weeks ago, and I'm just now making a video to talk about it just because I genuinely wanted to use the products, guys. I am someone, if you know me, if you're an OG on my channel, you know, like, I don't post anything unless I really like it, or unless it's something that I'm like, you know, wanting to share with you guys. So I decided that I was going to make a video about this because honestly, like, a lot of the products in here I have been just using all the time because they're like my go-to products now. One, because I am a person that's really on the go these days. Like, get up, get ready for work, and just head out the door. And that really was not my lifestyle before. So now that it is, I have like go-to products that I keep in my purse and just like right on my bathroom counter. So I wanted to share them with you. This is my Pinch Me box. So there's a lot of goodies in here. So the way Pinch Me works is that you go onto their website, you sign up, and you answer their questions, and they curate a box just for you. So the products are free, the shipping is free. Make sure you share your opinion with them because they actually share it with the brand. So on our end, everything is completely free. And I think that's really cool. You just have to make sure you answer the questions because these boxes are curated just for us. I have been obsessed with this, and I don't like having chapped lips. I keep these in my desk drawer at work. I keep these on my nightstand. I keep this in the bathroom. Like, I have one in every station that I know that I'm at for a period of time, so that I don't have to go looking for my purse to get, it's kind of lazy, but so I don't have to go looking for my purse to get a chapstick. I absolutely love this. Honestly, you guys, this is so amazing. It really keeps my lips moisturized. I just don't like having chapped lips, and as soon as my lips start feeling chapped, I'm like, where's my Carmex? This is something that I love to keep everywhere in the house, in my purse, at work, everywhere. Another product that I discovered in this box was this Rock Barrier Renew AM SPF 30 moisturizer. This I actually used for my birthday weekend. I went to Clearwater. We stayed at this beach resort, and I was outside in the sun all day. I didn't want to wear makeup, and I was like, oh, I have that Rock moisturizer. So I put this on. And honestly, I will say, it does say broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. This worked really well for me. It kept my skin just like really smooth and really soft and protected while I was out there because it was hot. To be honest, I can't wear it under makeup because I have very oily skin and I love a good matte foundation. So this doesn't work for me with makeup, but it works for me just when I want to wear something on my face and I'm not wearing foundation. So I highly recommend this. Another thing that I have recently been getting into is retinol. I know it's not new, but I personally never really dabbled in it. But this came in the box. So I was like, let's try it. And honestly, this Rock clinically proven retinol correction, it's line smoothing night serum capsules. Obsessed, literally obsessed. First of all, I think they're so cool. Like, I don't know, I like something different. So these little capsules, they come like that, and then let me see if I can show you guys because I'm obsessed with them. Okay, I don't know how well y'all can see. They're too small to hold in my hand like that. I don't know. They're very small. And you just like twist off the little cap and then you rub it into your skin. I put it on my neck, I put it on my face, and my face my face feels like butter when I use these. So these are now part of my nightly routine. When I take this makeup off, because I just got home from work, when I take this makeup off, I will use these when I wash my face. And I promise you, I just mix it in with my moisturizer and obsessed. Like, love these. We'll be using retinol moving forward, or a product with retinol, just because I didn't realize, you know, honestly, I hate to say this, me coming from the beauty world and like early on, I never really thought about retinols and stuff. But now that I'm 38, we gonna be using a retinol. So here's some other stuff in here that I have not used. This is called Moroccan Oil Body. This is their night body serum, firm and smooth. I have not actually used this yet. Like, I've dibbled and dabbled in the box, but not really. But we're gonna use it today. Let's see. I do think that there's some cool stuff in here. I guess this is just like a nice little sample. So if you really wanted to like use this, you could. There's some good stuff in here, you guys. I mean, this smells really good. Oh, my fiance gonna be like, baby, what you wearing? This smells amazing. Honestly, something else to keep in my purse. Okay. Okay, so the next thing would be these this is mascara. I actually have a very similar one to this. I'm more of a thin mascara girly. This looks like a little thicker. I guess this would make your lashes bigger, but I like the L'Oreal Telescopic. I'm a L'Oreal Telescopic girl, true and true. But this actually looks pretty cool. I have not tried it, so I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that I love it or anything, but it was in the box. If you're a Revlon girly, you may really like this. This also came with some face masks, which I love a good face mask. I have so many of these. I like to just pick these up when I'm at the store, so this was kind of cool that this was in my box. This one is the Diamond Gold Dust Brightening Sheet Mask, and then there is a Collagen Vitamin C Nourishing Mask in here, so love that. And then there's just like some hair care products in here also. This is a Biotin Superfruit Blend Strengthening Conditioner, and this is by Soapbox. And then I think they also have some shampoo in here, so shampoo and conditioner. And then we have some Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer with argan oil and some sunflower seed oil. Apparently this is for all hair types, so I haven't tried this yet either, but it's probably good. We'll see. And then there's like a little deodorant in here. This one is by Miles Rugged Deodorant, I guess. It says used to smell good. Let's see. I actually meant to put this. It smells really good. It's more of like a perfumey smell. I meant to put this in my purse just to have like a little deodorant in my bag, but I forgot, so that was just a reminder. There was also this red lippy in here by Revlon. I have to say, red lipstick is my favorite. If you guys know me, you know that I love a good red lip, but I don't do it too often these days. I feel like red is very bold, especially in the workplace. So when I go out though, I don't mind a red lip. If you see my engagement photos and videos, you know that I had like a nice burgundy lippy. So anything in that world of burgundies, reds, I feel like they just really do me justice. So love another red lip. You know, you can't go wrong. This one is their Hyper Matte Intense lip mousse. So we'll see what this is like. I haven't tried it yet. I'll just add it to my little repertoire of red lippies. And then there was like this little card in here. This is their partner of the month. I guess they're highlighting Coinbase. I will link everything down below. The goodies I love, I'm gonna go put back in my purse. Yeah, and I just hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It's been so long since I've made a video. I will be doing this more often. I'm gonna try my best to make time and get up some videos for you guys, just so I can say hi again, because I miss being on YouTube and I miss making videos. I want to add this back into my routine. So hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in the next one.